What is the best GM engine that you can think of? You've probably heard about the great small block Chevrolet. Oh, it's got a 350 in it. You've probably heard of your uncle's big block drag racing legend. You've probably heard of the ever swappable, there probably is a swap kit for a toaster oven, LS engine. But let me tell you that there is a fourth engine that I think deserves this fame. And as a owner at some point and driver of all of those previous engines, big block 454, 6-liter LS, small block 350, this fourth engine that I now own, I've worked on the least. This engine, I think, has been denied the fame because it was never put in a chassis that could really show off how good it was. It was tasked with powering front-wheel drive, mundane, bubbly 2000s cars. This is an engine that has a history, a family lineage of factory boost. This engine we talk of is the GM 3800 V6. I know, you're saying it already. Oh, but it's a V6. I know, and I love the LS. My LS screams to 7,000 RPM, and it's sweet. But you know what makes every engine better? Boost. I quickly get over the sound of a V6 when this thing produces 305 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. And it makes a torque curve flatter than the plains of Saskatchewan. What this really needs is what we call the hot hatch. And this is where the supervette comes in. When you combine these two together and you put the supercharged 3800 into a Chevette, mated to a Borg Warner T5 5-speed manual transmission, you get one of the greatest creations I have ever seen. This is a car we put together about 4 years ago, and I've been driving it on the street, to work, hauling lumber from the lumberyard. It goes across the country. It is the mule for field trips. I take some of my shop students to field trips. This car is by no means a 10-second, 1,000 horsepower car. This is a really fun, really controllable street car. I've driven this car now for 4 years, like I said, and I don't think I've changed anything on the engine. I honestly don't know if I've changed the spark plugs from when I got it from the wrecker yard. We'll sign out, guys. As always, go make something, have some fun with your buddies, and go fast.